And Nhim, today I will show you about the new lesson of fundamental of computing. Is the we can say is the Excel, Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, in this lesson 1, we will know about the getting started with Excel, and lesson 2, cell basic, and lesson 3, modifying column, row, and cell, and lesson 4, formatting cell, and lesson 5, saving, and lesson 6, we need to know about the creating simple formulas. So normally in the Excel we have a lot of formula like sum, average, mean, how to find the mean value, how to find the maximum value, right? Also the formula in Excel. And lesson 7 we will know about the worksheet basic, and lesson 8 you will know about the printing. Okay, one more is Compter in Excel. Lesson 9 we will know about the creating complex formula, and lesson 10 working with the basic function. Okay, and number 11 is the sorting data. Example like your data is not like the order, right? You need to order left to then, so we need to sorting your data first. And lesson 12 outlining data, lesson 13 filtering data, and lesson 14 is formatting table. Okay, one more is the doing more with Excel, and lesson 15 we will know about reviewing and sharing workbooks, and lesson 16 using template, right? Normally in Excel we have a lot of template, you can choose which one you love the most. And lesson 17 is working with chart. Yes, normally if you want to analyze your data, right, you have some plot chart or box plot to show, like show your students, show your friend or your companies. And lesson 18 you need to working with the spec line. Lesson 19 is using conditional formatting, and lesson 20 is creating pivot table, and lesson 21 is using what if analysis. Okay, let's start lesson 1. Okay, getting started with Excel. Excel is the spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. So in this lesson we will learn the way around Excel 2020, also read 2010 environment, including a backstage view. Okay, I will show you what is the backstage view here. We replace the Microsoft button menu from the Excel 2007. Okay, this is the ribbon of Microsoft Excel. We have file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review or view here. Okay, you can see this is the template and ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Okay, this one is the to customize the ribbon here. You can customize the ribbon by creating your own tabs that house your reserved command. Commands are always housed within the groups, and you can create any mini group you need to keep with the organized. In addition, you can even add command, right? If you want to add command here, you can click in design, customize the ribbon here. You can see in the picture. Okay, and this one, if you want to click new tab, right? A new tab will be created with the new groups inside it. Make sure the new group is selected. Number 3, you need to select the command from the list on the left and click add. Okay, you can also drag command directly in the groups. And number 4, when you are done adding command, click OK, right? When you are finished, you can click OK for your document. Okay, this one is the, if you do not see the command you want, you can click choose command here, right? And drop down and choose all command, right? If you choose all command, it will show you about a lot of ribbon. You can see the ribbon is designed to be responsive in your current text and easily to use. But if you find it taking out is much your screen space, you can maximize it. And number 1, you need to click a row in the upper right corner of the ribbon to maximum it. Okay, you see here, right? This is designed to click. Okay, to add command to the quick access toolbar, the first one you need to click the drop down arrow. Okay, to the right and quick access toolbar. And number 2, select the command you wish to add from the drop down menu. To choose from more command, select more command. You will see the more function about in Excel. Okay, you can see here, right? When you put a quick screen, it show you about the quick access toolbar here. You can see a lot, right? Okay, when you open exam, when you are open the Excel, right? When you choose, we click on file here, we can see save as, open, close, info, right? Recent, new, print, or save and send, right? The same Microsoft Word as well. To create a new plan workbooks, the first one you need to click the file tab. Okay. One more, take your backstage view, select new. Okay. You can choose new. One more thing is select blank workbooks work under unavailable template. It will be highlighted by default. Click create. A new blank workbook appear in Excel window. Okay. This one, right? You can click new, this one, right? And then click blank workbooks and then choose create and click OK. It will create the Excel automatically. Okay. And then to open an existing workbook, the first one you need to click the file again and then click tag of the backstage view. And number two is the select open. The open dialog box appear. Okay, you can see here, right? Like you want to open your document in Microsoft Excel, you can click file and then choose open. Okay, you can find which one your document. Like in document we have 4 kinds, like this one for company sale, invoice template, office contact, or personal budget. You can choose one, open one, and click here and then click open. It will open the Excel automatically. Okay. This one is the like some document you are write is recently. If you want to open, we can go to recent and choose which one you are want to open. But this one for like the document you are recent typing. Okay, you can choose here. Okay, now I will show you about the cell basic here. Each rectangle is the worksheet is called the cell. A cell is the intersection of row and the column. I think maybe all of you know about the row and column. Okay, this one we can say row. Okay, this one you can say column. Okay, and this one we can say cell, right? So in this lesson 2 you will clear about row, column, and cell. Okay. Okay, if you don't clear about the row, column, and cell, you cannot work in Excel well. Okay. Each cell has the name or cell address based on which column and row it intersects. The cell address or selected cell appear to the name box. Here you can see the C5 is selected. See, right? This one we can say C5 because in column 5. Okay, C5. Okay. One more. If you want to select the cell, the first one you need to click on the cell to select it. When the cell is selected, you will notice that the border of the cell appear bold. Okay. If the column will be bold, the column heading and row heading of the cell are highlighted. And number 2, you need to release your mouse. The cell will stay selected until you click on another cell in the worksheet. You can also navigate through your worksheet and select a cell by using the arrow key on your keyboard. And then you want to select multiply cell. The first one you can click and draw your mouse. Okay, click mouse to the right, left, or the right side until of the adjoining cell want to highlight it. You will know. One more is you want to insert content, right? The first one you need to click on the cell to select it and then enter content into the selected cell using your keyboard. The content appear in the cell and the formula bars. You also can enter or edit cell content from the formula bar. Okay, you can see in the picture, right? Okay, good. One more is you want to delete content within cell, right? The first one you need to select the cell with content. You want to delete first and then click clear command on the ribbon. Okay, you can see the ribbon here. A dialog box will appear. Select clear content. It will delete your works automatically. Okay, this one you can see the picture, right? Select the cell you want to delete and then choose delete command from the ribbon. One more thing is you want to copy and paste cell content. we can select the cell from you wish to copy and then click the copy command. The border of the selected cell will change appearance. Okay, you can see here, or you can choose here copy, right, and pass here. Or sometimes if you want to use your keyboard, if you want to copy, if you use your window, we can choose Ctrl C, okay, for copies. And then if you want to pass in any way, we can choose Ctrl V for pass. If you use Mac, we can choose Command C for copy, and if you want to pass in other way, you can choose Command V for Mac. Okay, this one, right? Okay. One more is you want to cut and pass cell content. The first one, you need to select the cell you wish to cut and then click cut command. The border of the selected cell will change appearance. Okay, you can see here in the picture. We can choose design cut. Okay, or sometimes you can use Ctrl H for cut, or sometimes if you use your Mac, you can use Command H for cutting. Okay, and then select the cell where you want to pass and content. And number 4, click the pass command. The cut content will be removed from the original cell to the into the highlight cell. Okay, you can see in the picture now. One more is you want to access more pass option. There are more pass options that you can access from the drop-down menu on the pass command. The option may be convenient to advanced users who are working with cells that contain formula or formatting. Okay, you can see in the picture, right? Normally for the pass in the document or some text, we have many ways of passing. So you can choose, sometimes you can choose pass special in here, right? You can see in the picture, you can see here. Okay, one more is to access formatting command by right clicking. Number 1 is select the cell you want to format and then right click on the select cell. A dialog box will appear where you can easily access many commands. There one on ribbon. Okay, in the picture you can see here. Okay, this one, right? One more is you want to draw the drop cell. The first one, you need to select the cell that you wish to move. Position your mouse on the one is the outside edge of the selected cell. The mouse change from here. Okay, if you want to select, you can drop here and then we can click move white cross to black cross with 4 row. Okay, you can see the picture. Okay, and number 3, click the draw and cell to the new location. Release your mouse and the cell will be dropped there. You can see here in the picture. And this one is to use the fill handle to fill cell. The first one, you need to select the cell or cell containing the content you want to use. You can fill cell content either vertically or horizontally. And number 2, position your mouse under the fill handle so the white cross become a black cross. This one is positive, right? Okay. This is the picture you can see in the Word document. And number 2, you need to click the draw the file handle until the cell you want to fill are highlighted. And number 3, release the mouse and your cell will be filled. Okay, this one, right? Or the picture I just show in the lesson. Okay, this one I want to show you about the modifying column, row and cell. Basically, to modify column white width, position your mouse over the column line in the column heading so that the white cross, this one design, become the double arrow. This one, okay? Then you can move left, move right, it's up to you. And number 2, you need to click and draw the column to the right to increase the column width, or to the left decrease our column width. Okay, this picture you can see. Okay, one more is number 3 is release the mouse and the column width will be changed in your spin sheet. Okay, you can see here, right? One more is you want to set column width with a specific measurement. The first one, you need to select the column you want to modify. And number 2, click the format command on the home tab. The format drop down menu appear. And number 3 is select column width. Okay, this is like the formula or the strategy how to use the cell for the column, how to set the column. Okay, you can see the picture right here. Column width, or we can say column height. Okay, and number 4, the column width dialog box appear into the specific measurement. Okay, you can click here. Example like column width here is 258, and then we click OK to finish. And number 5, click OK. The width of X selected column will be changed in your worksheet. To modify the row height, the number 1 is the position the cursor over the row line so that the Y cross. Okay, you can see here. And number 2, click and draw the row downward to increase the row height, or upward increase our row height. Okay, this is the picture for definition. And number 3, release the mouse. The height of X selected row will be changed in your worksheet. Okay. One more is you want to set row height with the specific measurement. Number 1 is select the row you want to modify, and number 2 is click the command. On the home tab, the format drop down menu appear, and number 3 is select row height. You can select row height from here, and then you can input a number like 60, right? And then click OK to finish your work. Okay. One more I want to show you about how to insert the row. If you want to insert the row, the first one you need to select the row below there you want to work row up here, and number 2, click the insert command on the home tab, and then the new row appear in your worksheet here, right? And then when inserting new row, column or cell, you will see the insert option button by inserted cell and design. You can click format save of above or format save of below, up to you. Okay. One more is you want to insert column, you can select the column to the right or what you want to new column to appear. For example, if you want to insert the column between A and B, select column B. Okay, you can select column B on the up here. Number 1 is the click the insert command on the home tab, this one. Okay, the new column appear in your worksheet. Okay, you can see in the highlight, right? One more is you want to delete row. The first one you need to select the row you want to delete first. Okay, example like I want to delete row 3, 4, 5, something like that, right? And then I need to click delete command on the home tab. And number 3, the row are deleted from your worksheet. Okay. One more is I want to delete column. I need to select the column I want to delete, this one. Okay, and then click delete command on home tab. So my computer will delete column automatically. Okay, this is just an example. You can work by yourself. Okay, this one also too. This is like one more thing is if you want to merge cell using the merge center command, right? This one, right? You want to merge the cell. Okay, the first one you need to select the cell you want to merge together, and then select the merge center command on the home tab. Okay, to access more merge option, you can click the drop down arrow next to the merge center command on the home tab. The merge drop down menu appear, merge and center. Merge is selected cell into one cell or enter the text. Merge across, merge each row or selected cell into the larger cell. This command is useful if you want to merging content across multiply rows or cells and do not want to create one large cell. Merge cell is mean merge selected cell into one cell, and unmerge cell is mean unmerge the selected cell. Okay. For lesson 4, I will show you more in next video, but next video I will show you how to write the data in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your watching my video. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you.